Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling the hotspot on your phone and choosing the band. This matters because 5 GHz gives speed while 4 GHz gives range. Once done, open your TV's network settings so you can scan for SSIDs immediately. Make sure your phone stays awake and charged, and rename the hotspot SSID to something short so you can find it quickly on the TV. You're reducing friction up front, so the pairing step goes smoothly without dropped connections. You now instruct the TV to scan for networks and pick your hotspot SSID. This is the core connection step. Enter the hotspot password exactly. Mistypes are the most common failure, so use the TV's on-screen keyboard or a paired phone keyboard if supported. If your TV and phone support WPS-like Quick Connect, use the push method to avoid typing. Otherwise, wait while the TV negotiates IP and DNS with your phone. Make sure mobile data is allowed for tethering. You finish by confirming connectivity. Open a streaming app or run the TV's network test to verify DNS and internet access. If things fail, first toggle the hotspot off and on, reconnect the TV, and if needed, restart the TV. These steps reset DHCP leases and clear transient errors. Make sure mobile data sharing is enabled and background apps on your phone aren't consuming bandwidth. If frequent drops continue, switch bands or move phone closer to the TV to improve signal strength.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.